survivor. And thanks to Itemba, Justine, and Avon for always organizing this beautiful, beautiful walkathon where all the people come together in love to fight against this monster, which is cancer. And what I love, we create awareness because early detection and early treatment can save lives. So cancer can be beaten. You don't have to be alone. We've got support groups that will walk all the way with you. And I encourage men there to suck those titties because if they do, they're the first ones to find the lump and therefore saving their partners' lives. So I just say big ups for Vicky, Avon, Itemba, Crusade of Hope.
Hi, my name is Baby Tele. I'm so tired. I just walked for like, 3Ks? In fact, I wanted to walk 8, but my 4-year-old wanted to come back and play, so, but I guess I've done my bit. I'm so happy I did it. Last year I was here, and this year I'm here too, with my mom, Lillian Dube. Next year, we're coming again. I enjoyed.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Bobby Molloy, and as the Avon ambassador, I'm here at the Itemba Crusade of Hope, the walkathon, and it's been spectacular. 22,000 people, 22.5 thousand people. I mean, that's a lot of people walking 8Ks and 5Ks, all to spread the message that early detection saves lives, that there really isn't anything to be afraid of. Check yourself. That's our hashtag, check yourself. We'll have someone check you and make sure that, you know, we keep our health looked after. And I also really love that today we hear from survivors, we hear from family of survivors, because it really takes the entire unit to make sure that we stand up strong on the other side of something as dire as cancer. So I hope if you haven't been to an Avon Itemba walkathon before, you'll have sufficient FOMO, fear of missing out, to join us again next year, because it's such a powerful event and everybody needs to experience this at least once in their life.